In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Etoro account on mobile. Before we start, a quick note on why this matters. Verification helps keep your account secure, meets regulatory requirements, and is usually necessary before you can deposit larger amounts or withdraw funds. The whole process only takes a few minutes if you have your documents ready. Begin by opening the Etoro app on your mobile device and logging in. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, the three horizontal lines. From there, choose Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Account Verification or simply Account. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but you're in the right place when you see options to enter personal details and upload documents. Start by filling in your full legal name, date of birth, and residential address. Make sure everything matches exactly as it appears on your identification documents, including spelling and abbreviations. Use your current physical address rather than a PO box, and double-check the date format before proceeding. Next, upload a valid government-issued ID. A passport or driver's license works well. Take a clear color photo with good lighting and make sure all four corners are visible with no glare or blur. If your document has two sides, capture both. Confirm the document hasn't expired and that the country on the document matches the details you entered. You'll also need to provide proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement issued within the last 6 months. The document should clearly show your full name, residential address, and the issue date. Aim for a high-quality image or PDF where the text is legible from edge to edge. If you're photographing a paper document, lay it flat, avoid shadows, and include the entire page. After your documents are set, complete the questionnaire about your trading experience. Answer honestly, this isn't a test. It helps Etoro understand your background and tailor safeguards and educational resources to your level. Before you submit, take a moment to review everything. Confirm your name and address match your documents, check for typos, and ensure each upload is clear and complete. When you're confident everything looks right, tap Submit for review. That's it. Verification times can vary, so keep an eye on your app notifications. If Etoro needs anything else, you'll receive a prompt explaining what to update or re-upload. Once approved, you're all set to use your account with full functionality.